It's not easy to come up with new gift ideas for Christmas. I made this beaded star tutorial with that in mind. It's a thoughtful alternative to shop-bought gifts. And you can use the design to create stunning hairpins or Christmas tree ornaments. You can utilize a lot of different colors and sizes of beads to make these beaded stars. Use whatever you can find. I've listed the materials I used. To start, cut about 70 centimeters of wire for each star. Measure about 15 centimeters from the beginning of it and bend it there to mark it. Now put 10 4mm crystals on it and slide them to where you bent it. Take the longer end of the wire and put it through the last bead to form a circle with them. Pull it carefully so you don't get any kinks. Put the wires together and twist them once or twice. Leave the shorter wire untouched for now and use the longer wire to create the points of the star. To form your first point, thread a pearl, a bugle bead, a crystal, followed by another bugle bead and a pearl on the wire. Slide them down. Bend them so that the pearl beads are next to each other and the crystal bead forms the star's tip. Now to secure the tip in place. Position the crystal 1 to 2 millimeters away from the bugle beads. Turn it around, forming a twist with the wires underneath the bead. Then count 2 crystal beads along on the central circle and connect the star's point to it by wrapping the wire between the second and third bead. Wrap it around it 2 times to make sure it's properly secured. Continue forming the next point of the star by adding the same beads I showed on the first one. Leave 2 crystals between the pearls, just like you did before. Now do this same process until you have created 5 points for the star. Once you've made all the points and reached the first pearl you added, take the longer wire and wrap it around the base of the first pearl. Then bring the wire to the front. Take a 7mm sew-on rhinestone. These rhinestones have 4 holes at the back. Put the wire through 2 of them. Place the stone to the very center of the star. Wrap the wire between 2 crystals on the opposite side of the circle. Now you need to move to the next hole on the stone by wrapping the wire along the crystal circle. Wrap them between the beads, making sure the wire isn't covering the front side of the crystals. Put the wire through the 2 remaining holes on the stone. Wrap it between some of the crystal beads to secure it in place. This is how the star looks like with all the points. Now I'll show you how to secure it into a U-shaped hairpin. I'm using these 6 cm long pins. Turn the star around. If your wires aren't right next to the stone, weave them there. Place the center of the pin to the back of the rhinestone. Now, take one of the wire ends and start wrapping it around the hairpin as tight as you can. Wrap the wires individually around each prong of the pin. Snip off the excess wire with your side cutters and press the end down with the chain nose pliers. Now to fully secure it in place, take a strong transparent glue like B7000 and put a dollop of it on the rhinestone and the top of the U-shaped pin. Let it dry for about 24 hours to fully cure. Here's a little daintier version of the star, made with slightly smaller beads. If you want to make one of these, all you need to do is swap the 4mm crystal beads to 3mm ones. You'll also need 4mm pearls instead of the 6mm ones. The wire I used is a slightly thinner 26 gauge wire. You can use the same size of wire as you did with the first star if you don't have two different sizes. The process of making them is exactly the same, just the bead and the wire sizes are different. I used the same 7mm sew-on rhinestone to decorate the center of it. Alternatively, you can use these beaded stars to make Christmas tree ornaments. It's very simple. When you've made the star, instead of attaching it to a hairpin, bring the two wires together and start turning the star, forming twisted wire until it's about 5 cm in length. Form a loop with it between 2 points of the star. Separate the wires and wrap them around the base of a pearl bead and the loop. Snip off any excess wire and make sure to press the end down with your pliers so there's no sharp edges. And there you have it, a simple but impactful star design that you can easily customize. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.